Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Syria and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Syria remains one of the most dangerous countries in the world for civilians, with ongoing conflict, widespread human rights violations, and near total impunity for state and non-state actors. The Syrian government and affiliated forces have carried out arbitrary arrests, torture, sexual violence, and enforced disappearances, particularly targeting those suspected of opposition or criticism. Returnees from abroad are frequently arrested, interrogated, or detained by security services upon arrival. Even those who were never politically active may be accused of disloyalty simply for having left the country. There are credible reports of deportees being tortured or forcibly conscripted. Women and girls are at risk of sexual violence, forced marriage, and gender-based abuse, particularly in areas under the control of militias or extremist groups. State protection is effectively unavailable in many parts of the country. Religious and ethnic minorities, including Kurds, Christians, Druze, and others, continue to face targeted discrimination and violence depending on which actor controls the territory. LGBT individuals are especially vulnerable, facing persecution both from the state and armed groups. Same-sex relations are criminalized and LGBT people risk harassment, blackmail, or violence with no possibility of legal protection. Given the total collapse of rule of law, the presence of multiple armed factions, and a history of state retaliation, returning to Syria carries extreme and well-documented risks. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.